what we did in the small learning communities, I would give them a lot of busy work. A lot of busy work. Now, usually when we think of busy work, we think of stuff that is just to keep them occupied, and it doesn't really amount to much learning. However, our busy work was I would give them case studies. So this was a social and personality development class. I would give them a case study about a 16-year-old who was trying to forge her personal identity. And I'd say explore the theories that might guide her development or something like that. We did review activities. Sometimes I would say, our first exam is coming up. Get together in your community, come up with 3 potential exam questions you think would be appropriate. So the groups remained together the entire semester.